Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined again by Julio of Studio Suite. Julio, how are you doing today?
Doing well, thank you, Alicia. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. So this video is really important. We're going to be talking about the free 30-day trial of the Studio Suite software that you guys offer. So this really goes hand in hand with the rest of the videos that we've been producing recently. You can find all of those on the blog, and those are live demos that we've done with Julio about the different modules within the Studio Suite software. Now, Julio's only been giving us a short sneak peek into those modules. But now I want to talk about the 30-day free trial, because then you can get your hands on it and really explore this software even further. So you're going to kind of show us how to sign up for that on the website and tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, thank you, Alicia. So that's right. We've been giving you guys a few short sneak peeks into some of the modules, some of the most popular modules in Studio Suite. But we do want you to have the opportunity to use the software yourself, so you can experience by yourself, and we are there along the way. So if you need help with how to navigate the software, we're happy to coordinate with you a 30 or 60-minute one-on-one demo to give you a little bit more of an overview, or maybe show you some of the more relevant features in Studio Suite that apply to your music production, video production, marketing agency, or your business that you're using Studio Suite for. So I wanted to show you over here how easy it is to sign up for our demo. So I'm going to share my screen, and this is our website. So it's super simple, studiosuite.com. Over here, you'll find right on the top a free trial button. So if we click on it, it's going to take us over here to our sign up page. You can just enter your information, give us a little bit information on what you're trying to use the software, and that's it. You would just click over here, submit, and you would get the instructions. Once you get your instructions, you can download and use the fully featured version of Studio Suite. So it's not just a light version. You can use the entire, the fully featured version of Studio Suite. So this is how it's done. It's really easy. You get the free trial for 30 days, and you can give us a call if you need some help navigating software, or if you have any questions with it. So Alicia, back to you.
Yeah, of course. So I have a quick question then. So say I signed up for your free 30-day trial, and I've been using it. I'm really liking it. I have all of my information, my assets, everything that I've been using right in the software already. Can I then just kind of turn that into a Studio Suite subscription? Can I take that and just turn it into my own product?
Very smart question. I like that question, Alicia. So yes, once you've been playing around with it, maybe if you've imported some of your assets, yes, you can keep on using that trial once you purchase the software. And we are there to help you import all of your assets. So it doesn't matter if you have 1,000 pieces of equipment, 1,000 contacts, we can import those in a matter of minutes, and we'll do that. We'll do the work for you.
Okay, wow. So you're there to help me. I'm not expected to put all of this information that I probably have books full of. You can help me do all of that, so it's a lot quicker and easier for me as a studio manager.
Yes. We have those templates, and your success is our success. So we're there to help you along the way.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for telling me a little bit more about that free trial. And if that sounds like something that you would like to take advantage of, maybe you've been watching our demos and you're really excited to get your hands on the Studio Suite software to find out more, you can contact them. You can call them at the number up on the screen, send an email to info@studiosuite.com, and make sure that you visit the website, studiosuite.com, download that free trial, get in contact with Julio and his team, and they will help you with everything you need for your free trial and beyond. So thanks again, Julio.
Thank you, Alicia.